Coated fabrics are engineered textiles designed to provide waterproofing, durability, flame resistance, and enhanced performance for demanding applications. A typical coated fabric consists of three components: a textile backing, a polymer coating layer, and a protective top coat.
The process begins with selecting the appropriate base fabric, which may be woven, knitted, or non-woven. Common fibers include polyester, nylon, acrylic, and aramid, each selected according to performance requirements. Before coating, the fabric undergoes cleaning to remove dust, oils, and impurities that may affect adhesion.
Controlled tensioning ensures uniform fabric dimensions and prevents distortion during coating operations. Heat setting stabilizes the fabric structure, improving dimensional stability and coating performance.
Next, the coating formulation is prepared using polymers and specialized performance-enhancing additives.
Common coating polymers include PVC, polyurethane, acrylic, and silicone, depending on the end application. UV and heat stabilizers are incorporated to protect the coated fabric from environmental degradation. Flame retardant additives improve safety by reducing ignition risk and slowing flame propagation. Plasticizers are introduced to increase flexibility and prevent cracking during repeated use. Pigments provide the desired color, opacity, and visual appearance of the final product. Several coating technologies are available, each designed for specific performance and production requirements. In direct coating, a doctor blade spreads liquid polymer evenly across the fabric surface. The blade gap controls coating thickness, ensuring uniform coverage throughout the production run. In transfer coating, the polymer film is first formed on release paper. The film is then laminated onto fabric, making this method ideal for delicate materials. Calender coating uses heavy rollers to transform polymer compound into a continuous film. Heat and pressure fuse the film directly onto the textile backing.
Hot melt extrusion begins by melting thermoplastic granules inside an extruder.
The molten polymer is applied through a slot die for precise coating control.
Rotary screen coating pushes coating material through perforated cylindrical screens.
This method enables patterned application and excellent coating consistency. In dip coating, the entire fabric is submerged in a coating solution. Withdrawal speed determines coating thickness, while excess material is removed. After coating, the fabric enters a curing oven for polymer fusion and stabilization. Heat causes polymerization or fusion, creating a strong bond with the textile substrate.
Embossing adds decorative textures and can enhance grip or anti-slip performance.
Lacquering provides additional protection against dirt, wear, and environmental exposure. Quality control begins with abrasion resistance testing to evaluate long-term durability. Additional tests verify coating adhesion, tear strength, and flame resistance compliance. After final inspection, approved coated fabrics are packaged and delivered for industrial and commercial applications worldwide.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.